inconsistent, so bear with me. My husband is the best, and because I got a new job and because he loves me, he got me a gift. I obviously already opened it because he wanted to get a reaction video, which I will try to share with you depending on how it looks to me. Hey, what did you do? What did you do? Okay. Oh, I know what you got me, didn't you? Really do. You didn't. You did. You got me the DJI, didn't you? Did you get the creator kit? You did? Oh my god, babe. You're amazing. So it's already open, but I'm gonna show you what I got. I have the DJI creator kit. It comes with a few different items. So it comes with, obviously, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Comes with a little magnetized wide lens. And I might not know all the names for all this because I'm still learning it, but we have I believe this is what is like a stand connector. This connects to the little tripod and then connects to the DJI. I keep mixing them up. Extra battery, portable battery, both, I guess. Came with a little microphone. We did end up getting an extra tripod in it, but yay me. I know it only comes with one. Not sure how this happened, but extra stuff. After he did get me this, I obviously ordered more stuff. So this is something I ordered. I ordered this case from Amazon. The review said it was good, so hopefully it is. It's a little bit bigger than the case that it came with, which was a little bit of a tight squeeze with all the stuff, especially since I got like the extra tripod. So this case does a little bit cuter, a little bit bigger. I think it had little pockets for everything, or I'm not really sure what you would call it, pockets or just like placement areas. So I will go ahead and show you that. It has this little thing, so you can kind of like grab it from this, like hold it with the chain, which is really cute. Here's the case, and here are all the items that the creator kit comes with, minus this. This comes with my strap. So the first thing I will put in is this. This will go here. This does need to go in with this attached, so go ahead and do that. Your microphone will go into this little section here. Tripod, battery pack, and that is how that goes in here, and that is the case. This does come with this, and I can attach it here so that you can hold the case like this. I'm not going to lift it now because the case is open. So that was the case. I will try to close it up now. After this, not really having issues. Definitely feels safe. Definitely feels like working. It definitely is locked. I've had a few of these types of things that don't lock very well, but this one seems pretty stable for now. Like I'm pushing on it, you have to push really hard for it to open. So that's pretty good. So it did come with a decent one. I'll just leave this on here. So I'll be using this soon. The next thing I did buy was this. I took this out of the box that they came in because it was like in other stuff. You know how Amazon puts all that stuff together, so did not want to unbox all my random stuff in this unboxing because this is for DJI. This is basically just a grip for the DJI itself, so I can put it on my wrist while I'm on a Disney ride or just kind of walking around and keep it safe and make sure I don't lose it because I am prone to losing things. Not really, kind of. So this will help. And yeah, I'm excited to try this out. Next thing I bought for this, I believe, actually don't remember, so we're opening this together. And then I'll remember as soon as I open it, I'm sure. I know I did get another thing for it, so this definitely is for the DJI. I just need to remember what it was. Ah, yes. So I did get a wall charger for it, because the wall chargers I had for USB-C were a little bit on the lower end, so it was not charging fast enough for my liking. This one is supposedly charges in 16 minutes up the DJI. Hopefully that is true. Get the Anchor. I think it's called Anchor Nano. It doesn't say it on here, which is like really annoying. Let's see if it says it here. Anchor IQ. I do know it was like Anchor and Nano or something. It was the main one that DJI recommended. It's the foldable. I can link all of these as well in my bio if anyone's interested, or if anyone's looking to get a DJI and wants some of these accessories. So that is what I got for the DJI. I'll be making some new content with it. Super excited about that. Going to Disney and hopefully getting some content with that. I do have some videos I took at home recently with it, kind of testing it out, so I might post those as well. It's really just going to be a video of my dog. So if you're interested in seeing that, just let me know. Definitely will post that then. And then yeah, just look out for some better quality videos from me because of the DJI. And if you do like this type of content, do let me know and I will continue to do that.